Welcome to Brain Vision.
In this problem, it is asked that which statement is true of an endothermic reaction, right? And the options are given: A, strong bonds break and weak bonds form, right? And weak bonds break and strong bond form. The bonds that break and those that form are of approximately same strength. So our answer is option A, that is strong bonds break and weak bonds form. How? Let us see. So we know explanation is what? We know few things about exothermic reaction and endothermic reaction. So what is that? So let us say this is reactant, any reactant suppose, and this is product, right? So for del H to be negative, del H means enthalpy, that is negative, right? Negative means what? This is exothermic, right? So for this, the bond energy, bond energy is high for the product, right? And for reactant, bond energy is low. But similarly, if we talk about exothermic reaction, this is first one, and this is second one, is bond energy of reactant here is more than bond energy of product in endothermic reaction. So what does it mean? It means that here in the exothermic reaction, strong bonds, you can say weak bonds are there in the reactants, and it forms the strong bonds, right? So here we can say one more thing: weak bonds and strong bonds are formed, right? Because bond energy for the strong bonds is higher, right? It is difficult to break it, right? So we can say from weak bond strong bonds are formed. Now similarly, for if we talk about endothermic reaction, it will be strong bonds forms weak bonds, right? Right. So this became very simple. So we can say that strong bonds break and weak bonds are formed in the endothermic reaction. Right? And why it cannot be say of same strength? If it is of same strength, then third scenario is del H is equals to 0 for same bond strength. Right? This must be only possible. There should be difference in the bond energies. That is what we are talking about, enthalpy. Enthalpy, and we are talking about reaction. That is, if del H is negative, then it is said to be exothermic, and if delta is positive, that is enthalpy is positive, then it is endothermic reaction. So there is some difference in the energy, bond energy, which we are talking about, and some bonds are broken and some bonds are formed. So what are those things we find from the bond energy only. So we know that for the weak bond, we have already discussed that bond energy is low, right? Okay, so that's why strong bonds break and weak bonds are formed here. I hope you understood the concept